Hello, welcome again to Super Hair Pieces. Today we're going to show you how to install a Salon Prepared Ready-to-Wear direct-to-consumer. The first thing that you have to know is your measurement. We need that information, in that way we can send you a template. In that way we can approximately give you the size of the system that you need. First of all, what you're going to do, you are going to mark 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose till where your hairline is going to be. So right is going to be here, right? Once you have that mark, you are going to get a measuring tape starting from 0. You're going to put the 0 there. You're going to measure where the end of the system, where your bald area is. So once you finish measuring from front to back, you are going to measure from side to side. Again, from 0, you go in the mirror and you have to be sure that you have to be even in both sides. You cannot be measuring like in such a way that it's going to be crooked, right? So you are going to bring the 0, go to a mirror and mark and measure from side to side. You are going to write it down in that piece of paper, and that information you are going to send it to us. For ordering your Salon Prepared, ready-to-wear, ready-to-consumer hair system, you will need to go to our website and pick your preferred hair system. In the right sidebar, you will see the option to let us prepare the hair system for you. Select this option and more options will expand. Choose Salon Prepared, select your desired haircut. Choose if you want to trim the extra skin or lace and specify how you want it done. If you are looking to have your system ready to install once it arrives at your house, select hair protection and base. Then select attachment ready to have the hair system pre-glued or pre-taped. You can also request to reduce the density or have clips sewn on. How do we select your base cut? We take the dimensions you gave us and match them to our closest standard template. From there, we carefully size down the base to give you a precise, tailored fit. Along with your new hair system, we're including a handy template. This will guide you through the shaving process, making it quick, easy, and precise. So then you put it on, you have to be sure that it's even. You use a lip liner or an eyebrows pencil, and then you mark all around the border. With that mark is that you are going to shave the part that you need to be removing the hair. In my case, because I had gray hair, I could mark it with a pencil. In that way, I know where I'm going to cut the hair. But if you had dark hair, you can use the trimmer and you just can mark it like this, all around. Once I mark it with a pen, I'm going to get my clippers and I'm going to start cutting my bald area. Once you finish clipping your hair, you need to shampoo your hair. Shampoo that area because it's very, very important that you will have the area where you are going to attach the system nice and clean. So once you send all that information to us, we are going to be sending you, as I said, everything ready for you to wear. I recommend this product that it is called a Just Right Positioning Spray. This is not included in your kit, but it is recommended for you to purchase it. Once you are going to put the system on, let's say the skin, you are going to spray this in your scalp or in the system, either way, and it's going to give you, let's say that 30 seconds to 40 seconds for you to adjust before you press the system down. Okay, once you receive your hair, is going to come in a base, and what you have to do is just detach the system from the base. If you have as I mentioned before, if you have a system that is lace, it will be easier to take off, so you're going to have to only remove the backing of the tape. In the case of the skin, you will have to use the product that I was mentioning before, and I'll show you how you do it. So when you are going to remove it from the base, you have to start from the back. You're going to use this product, the Just Right product, and then you're going to start peeling that slowly. If for some reason you get any hair stick to the base, you're going to use Just Right, and you're going to just be sure that the hair is off the base. Remember that you're going to also be receiving the system already, the excess of lace or excess of skin removed. The hair is going to be 100% ready for you to wear. As I said to you before, you can spray in the system this first if you are not too familiar how to put the system on. So it will give you some time for you to readjust where the system is going. So here I am, I'm going to put it on. So once you put it on, you just press to be sure, once you are sure that everything is good, that is where it's supposed to be. Okay, you just press it really good to be sure you don't have any bubble. And this is going to come, of course, the haircut that you choose from the pictures that we have online. I'm going to spray a little bit of water just because I wanted to have a little bit of like a wet look. So there you have it. Now you have the Salon Prepared Ready-to-Wear Hair System Direct to Consumer. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.